Proper care and maintenance is key to keeping your RV looking new. Today, we're going to review how to properly clean the exterior of your RV using common materials and tools.
All you need to get started are a few simple materials. First, you'll need a mild detergent such as an automotive soap or a common dish soap will also work. You will also need a bucket to mix soap and water together. Be sure to have a soft brush to gently scrub dirt off the surface. A flexible rubber squeegee with a handle can be used. Finally, be sure to have microfiber towels to help dry and to help remove water.
First, add 1 ounce of soap and fill the bucket with water. Using your brush, apply soap and water to the surface of a small area on your RV. Rinse with water. Repeat steps 2 and 3 until you have completed one side of your RV. Keep the surface wet as you go. Next, use your squeegee to remove excess water. And finally, use your microfiber towel to completely dry the sidewall.
Thank you for watching. For more information on the care and maintenance of your RV, visit exteriorrvcare.com.